New laws, 2019, Vermont pays people $10,000 to move there, internet taxes, pet protection, more. Washington, the new year brings a host of state laws that take effect Tuesday, including Vermont paying people to move there. For those employed by out-of-state companies who are willing to work remotely from Vermont in a home office or cooperative workspace. We have a demographic problem in the state. We need more people, said Governor Phil Scott in supporting the measure. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, Vermont has the nation's third highest median age, 42.7 years, and the state's population of just over 600,000, in 2017, is flat or slightly shrinking, the Associated Press reported. Anyone interested should hurry, however, because the money for the program is limited and will be awarded on a first-come, first-served basis. Lawmakers have set aside $500,000 for the program. Elsewhere, Connecticut and Hawaii are making it illegal for employers to ask job applicants about their pay history. That brings to 10 the number of states with similar bans, intended to stop the cycle of pay discrimination against women and minorities. Derek Slapp, a Connecticut state representative, said the law is also intended to maintain competitiveness in hiring qualified workers. "We don't want it to be known as the state where women can be low-balled," he said. In New York City, it will be illegal in the new year to sell anything in foam food containers made from expanded polystyrene, a material the city says cannot be recycled. "There's no reason to continue allowing this environmentally unfriendly substance to flood our streets, landfills and waterways," said Mayor Bill de Blasio. That ban covers foam clamshell containers, trays and cups as well as foam packing peanuts. In Washington state, 2019 brings the legislature determined that people with disabilities were finding it harder to get acceptance of their essential animal help. 2 new measures in California are intended to make life better for pets. The state becomes the first to require that pet shops sell only animals from shelters and rescue centers. Residents can still buy from private breeders, but pet stores cannot. Nearly 300 cities in half the states already have similar restrictions, but this is the first to apply statewide. Under a separate new law, judges can assign sole or joint custody, based on what they determine is in the best interest of the pet. For human beings nationwide, the cost of getting divorced shifts from one spouse to another as of January 1. It becomes more expensive for those making alimony payments, because Congress eliminated alimony tax deductions, a break that had been in effect for 75 years. But the same change also provides that those receiving alimony payments no longer have to pay taxes on the income. In addition, internet shoppers in 6 more states, Georgia, Iowa, Louisiana, Nebraska, Utah, and West Virginia, will have to pay sales taxes on what they buy from out-of-state retailers. More states are imposing the same requirement, the result of, and in Colorado, revelers wanting to toast 2019 can find all kinds of beer available in grocery and convenience stores. Under a law dating from Prohibition, they could sell only low-alcohol brews, but that restriction ends in the final hours of 2018. Pete Williams is an NBC News correspondent who covers the Justice Department and the Supreme Court, based in Washington.